In this video, we'll show you how to change the lower cover valance on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 8 lower cover valance retaining bolts.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
You can now separate the lower cover valance from the front bumper assembly. To do this, push on the tabs and pull on the valance. You can order the lower cover valance used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new lower cover valance. Reinstall the lower cover valance on the front bumper assembly. Make sure you insert the valance into all the holding lugs. Then tighten the bolts by hand. Finish off tightening with the ratchet. You are now done replacing your lower cover valance. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.